Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we look at a trade idea getting into next week, I wanted to bring you first solar. So this is unique for a couple of different reasons, and as I really try to give you my best understanding of the squeeze, I find it's always helpful to look at these points of compression, of consolidation, and see which way did the move actually resolve. Right? Because there were plenty of days in here where you saw some selling, you saw movement with the histogram down below zero, and there are ways that you could argue it in a bearish way. Of course, it did take earnings for this, but the ultimate move of the squeeze was incredibly bullish. So it's essentially a signal of compression that is wanting to resolve in the direction of trend and just happens to be a little bit shaky before it does it. Okay, if that's how that technical signal played out, again, it did it with the help of earnings. The results of this report were interpreted in a very positive way. So might that create a little bit of anticipation or, bullish anxiety ahead of the earnings report that's coming up here? That's what I want to look at with you with this, fresh daily squeeze. So the way to look at it is to come out, and there's a few strategies you can use here, but for the most part, I like bidding for some of these out-of-the-money calls that have 15 days until expiration. I'm not going to hold these through the earnings report, but I'd like to build up that position Friday and into the first few days of next week, and then ultimately see a little bit of positive lift that goes with the markets also being bullish, and then, lifts us up into 220, possibly 230, and then exiting that position before the numbers are released. So I like that pattern. I like the squeeze setup, and I thought you might find it helpful as we get into those earnings. You'll have a great rest of your evening, and I will see you in the next free video. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. And if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.